I'm a lay person when it comes to really harnessing my antenna for frequency and energy. I study biology. I study how my patches would affect the body and why it would be good or bad, right? Natural frequencies. And I am 100% convinced, there is no doubt in my mind that we are basic energy. The physical manifestation is a temporary moment. It's time-based, right? It's the fourth dimension, the width of something, the height of something, the length of something. So the mass, and then the time domain. Okay. And that puts me in the physics, my physics background and my engineering background. I can explain all that. But when on my journey for BodyAlign, I kept seeing, no, it's more energy. It's more energy. It's more energy. And we have an equation that we all know, E equals MC². Right. That means that if you think about the way we look at Euclidean geometry, right, that the independent variable, the one that can change, is mass. The one that's dependent on mass is on this side, E, energy. Guess what? When you feel like I feel, and likely I'm going to put this in perspective that you'll probably get right away. The equation's wrong. The equation is mass is a function of energy. Okay. Mass was created by energy, not the other way around. So the Big Bang Theory was the creation of mass and not the conversion of mass into energy. Every physicist, astrophysicist gets that. It was all energy. It became mass.
Let's take it another step. So let's say that as energy is creating mass, it's happening by stepping down the frequency. So here's the thing, as you increase frequency, so the Lama theory teaches us 7 major frequency on every dimension. There's 12 dimensions. We know that 5 of the vortex are outside the physical body. So when Christ is on the mountain in transfiguration and the apostles witness him turning his body to light, and Moses and Elijah show up and they're all excited and doing this, they talk about him turning into like this light bulb. Well, when you can be in 5D and you see somebody shining, their auric field gets stronger, but the presence of the body is still totally there. When you move closer to 7D, now all of a sudden you see more light than you see their body. When you go up to 8, 9, and 10D, we release back into the source of energy itself in creation. In other words, this whole manifestation and what the ancient city yogas called materializing and dematerializing, of which I have studied with masters and seen that done right in front of my eyes, it is a lowering and a higher frequency. So that totally supports your theory.